Now we are going to learn about a calendar, in the sense how to manage a calendar, that is nothing but meetings and schedules. Okay, meetings or it may be appointments. To manage that one, we are using a calendar. Here we have a calendar option. Double click on that, or we can go to new option. Here also we have a meeting option. Okay, first we will learn how to create a, what is the difference between an appointment and meeting. Appointment is nothing but you are going to with the outside, that will be become an appointment, right? If you are creating for internal purpose, that will become a meeting. When you are meeting, it may be a telephone or it may be a any type of the meeting. So we'll first check what is the difference between a appointment and meeting. For example, on 7th you would like to create a appointment. What we have to do, we have to select that particular date. Okay, go to new appointment. Here new appointment, select. Okay, now it is asking for the what is the appointment subject. Okay, I will say that um, sales discussion. Okay, sales. Okay, and location where you are going to meet that particular person. Okay, and start time, appointment on which day. It is already selected 7. At what time it starts. Okay, we can say that at a 10 o'clock, and it will end by a 11. 1 hour appointment we have it fixed. Okay, then it comes to a like a, we have to write it here, detail about a product discussion. Like this we can write a detail what I am going to discuss in that particular appointment. Then we have to show here appointment like a, what is a busy appointment, or is it out of the office at the end, in the sense if appointment is cancelled, then we can make it as a changes. And reminder, in the sense before how many days or how many hours we have to reminder about this particular appointment. We can say 1 day before, remind us about this particular appointment. Then if it's a repeating appointment, then you can select it as a recurrence, and you can change when exactly, weekly basis or daily basis, like that we can change. Okay, and this appointment, is it highly importance, then make it as a high priority appointment. Then you can invite some of the attendees, like other people to join your appointment. You can send them invitation also for them. Also you can invite to join with along with you for that particular location, to discuss about this particular content. Okay, once you have been done with all these things. Okay, cancel invitation, I'm not going to invite. Okay, once you have been done, you can forward this appointment to any of your teammate if you like to forward. Okay, then we can say, okay, save and continue, so that one appointment has been created. Okay, and it will give the just a detail here. You will not be invite, you can invite a person, but here with whom you are going to deal with this appointment has been, you have to write it. Okay, that is a appointment. If you are planning a meeting, if you are planning a meeting, here new meeting, here you are going to send the invitation. If you are meeting, in the sense, for example, you are asking for a team meeting, then you have to check address book, entire team we have to select, required. Okay, so entire team has been invited. Okay, then we can say about a monthly report, location, office, hall. Okay, when it is, at what time we have been taken. Then we can write a detail about a meeting and high importance, we can say. And if it is a recurring, in the sense every Monday it will repeat this particular meeting, then we can say recurrence on every weekly on Monday. It every day, every week Monday it will be repeat on a same time. Okay, like this it will be selected. It is not Monday here. We have been selected a Tuesday. It is a Tuesday. Every Tuesday it will repeat that particular meeting. Then we can send them. We can send a mail to that particular person. You can see in entire calendar all Thursday you have been scheduled with the, you have been created a appointment with the different your team, with your team it has been given to with whom you have been appointment has been selected. Okay, like this you can create an appointment yourself, or you can create a meeting where many of them will be joining along with the you. Okay, so this is the way we can create a appointment or a schedule, or we can say the meeting schedule for the entire month or entire year also you can create for a by using a this particular calendar option.